Surviving the disasters of tornadoes and strong winds. In this video, you will learn to take steps to protect you and your family from severe weather. Build an emergency kit. A minimum of 3 days supply of water and non-perishable food for each family member. First aid supplies, personal hygiene items, portable radio, flashlight, basic tools, and work gloves. Create and practice a plan of action for your family. Know where and how you will seek shelter during a storm. Stay tuned to local radio and TV stations for weather updates. Know where the safest area of your home is. Identify escape routes from your home or neighborhood. Stay away from windows and doors when the storm arrives. If you want to know more about how to survive a crisis, please click the link below for a free report and video.